The HomePod was previously scheduled to hit the market before the end of last year, but Apple issued a statement saying that it needed more time before the product is ready for customers, giving the HomePod an early 2018 release date. The Taiwanese company Inventec has reportedly just shipped 1 million HomePod units to Apple, hinting that Apple will soon be releasing the HomePod, but not enough information is out there to know exactly how soon. Interestingly, Inventec also assembles Apple's AirPods. Foxconn is the other HomePod assembly partner, but it's not clear how many units they're rolling out, if any. Together, however, the two firms are expected to ship between 10 to 12 million units in 2018, splitting orders evenly. So if you're planning on buying a HomePod, you'd better get your card ready and keep your eyes open, since there's no way to know how quickly they'll go out of stock after release. The HomePod is Apple's $349 smart home speaker, aimed to compete against other smart speakers like Amazon Echo and Google Home, which both run at around $100 to $130. Now you may be thinking, how can the HomePod possibly compete with other smart speakers with that high of a price? Well, first of all, it's touted as a high-quality speaker instead of just a smart home speaker, and even the new model of the Amazon Echo is somewhat lacking in audio quality. So how do we know that the HomePod will put out high-quality audio? Well, it's loaded with hardware like 7 tweeters, 6 microphones, a subwoofer, and Apple's A8 processor directly from the iPhone 6. There's potential for the HomePod to put out sound quality that's comparable to some speakers above the $349 price point, but we'll just have to see. It's also got software to back it up, including Apple Music and Siri integration, real-time acoustic monitoring, microphone beamforming so the HomePod can hear you over loud music, multi-channel echo cancellation, spatial awareness, beamforming tweeters, AirPlay 2, and of course, HomeKit integration. It's got a screen on top with controls to play, pause, and adjust the volume, as well as an LED waveform that animates with your every word when making a Siri command, just like on your iPhone. The HomePod definitely has the looks to back up the price, with 3D mesh acoustic fabric enshrouding the device, and it should fit in with most modern home decor. For color options, you have a simple and clean white or black. You can also pair 2 HomePods in the same room, and they'll be aware of each other, working as a team to fill the room with high-quality audio. If all that sounds good to you, get your wallets ready, and we're sure you'll be happy with your HomePod purchase. If you're planning on ordering a new HomePod on release day, let us know in the comment section below. This has been Vadim from AppleInsider, and we'll see you in the next video.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products, updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.